Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dashboard Builder channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of data visualization and learn how to create a heat map chart in PHP. But before we jump into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Let's get started. In this example, we're going to use the Dashboard Builder. The first step in creating a heat map chart is to prepare your data. Log in to your Dashboard Builder account. Open a new project. Click on the Add Database button. Click on MySQL to import your data source. Enter your database name and its credentials, hit the Save button. To create a heat map chart, we must first have our data in the form of a pivot table. Let's launch the Chart Setting panel. Click on the table that you want to retrieve data. In the Widget Field panel, you'll see options to set up your pivot table. Select the field from the drop-down fields you want to analyze into the Rows, Columns, and Values sections. Select Region for rows, Item type for column, and Units sold for values. Choose aggregation functions like Sum, Average, Maximum, Minimum, or Count. We will select the Sum in this example. Hit the Apply button. Your pivot table is created. You'll need your data to be organized into rows and columns, with one dimension on each axis. For this tutorial, we have item type on the x-axis and region products on the y-axis. The values in the cells represent the data points. Next, select the heat map chart from the chart type. Now that you have your heat map chart, it's essential to customize it to make it visually appealing and informative. You can adjust the color scheme, add labels and titles, change the axis labels, and more to make the chart easy to understand. Once your heat map chart is ready, it's time to interpret the data. Heat map charts are great for visualizing patterns, trends, and variations in data. The color intensity represents the values, with lighter colors for lower values and darker colors for higher values. There you have it. Creating a heat map chart is a powerful way to display data patterns and relationships. Remember to practice and experiment with different datasets to get the hang of it. Now we are going to generate the PHP source code for our heat map chart. Click the PHP code button. And here is the PHP source code of your heat map chart. You can use this PHP code to any web application. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful content. See you in the next video.